Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to start Steam in big picture mode. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam application and log into your account. Once you're logged in and can see your Steam library, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window. You'll see the word Steam written there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will open up your Steam settings panel where you can customize various aspects of your Steam experience. Once the settings window opens, you'll notice a left panel with different categories. Click on Interface from this list. The Interface section controls how Steam looks and behaves on your system, including display options and startup preferences. This is where you'll find the setting we need to enable Big Picture Mode automatically. Now, in the main settings area on the right, look for the option that says Start Steam in Big Picture Mode. Right beside this text, you'll see a toggle switch. Click on it to turn it on. This setting is particularly useful if you prefer the controller-friendly, TV-optimized interface that Big Picture Mode provides. Once enabled, Steam will launch directly into Big Picture Mode every time you start the application, giving you that console-like experience right from the start. And that's it. You've now configured Steam to launch in Big Picture Mode automatically, making it perfect for gaming on your TV or with a controller. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.